We did a video like this last year and Santa Claus is coming to Scarborough today, so we're heading down to the beach to go see him. The kids, apart from Amelia, are super excited. Amelia's not bothered about going to see Santa. Are you chicken?
I want to go to Rachel's.
She wants to go to Auntie Rachel's, but she had a bit of an attitude this morning, so she's not going. No, now she's upset. She'll have fun when we're there. You excited to see Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yay!
Mommy, we went on that ride.
We did, didn't we?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
We went on it when Amelia and Alana went on holiday, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we went. Where did we go? Did we go to Flamingo Land?
Yeah.
We did.
Ice cream. Look at ice cream.
Yeah, when your sister were there.
What you got, Isaac?
Make my wish come true.
Yeah.
All I want for Christmas is you. And in our world of plenty, we can spread the Christmas tide. Praying for the other one. Thank God it's them instead of you. And you, Santa Claus is coming to town. With little tin horns and little toy drums, with Rudy toot toots and rummy tum tums. Santa Claus is coming.
Is that Isaac? Is that it? Elliot, can you see him?
The twilight found around the Christmas tree. So you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Welcome to Scarborough. We're going to have a chat on the radio
Who is
live
it?
in just a few moments' time. So for those watching on Facebook,
And he's got pretty.
don't forget to go
Yeah,
and see
that's it.
Sunshine Boys. He's on his way up there very soon. We're all going to be following up.
Isaac, who is it?
Oh, there he is. He's saying hello. Everyone say
Say
hello
hi,
back.
Santa.
Right, Father Christmas is here. Let's have a very quick chat. So we've done a live Facebook video there. What we now need to do is do it on the radio as well. I mean, what a crowd. Right, here we go. So we're going to do this live on the radio and also wonderful music. And we're going to carry on that right now. So over
Say
to
hi.
girls, we're going to get ready to
made it
follow
again from last
Santa
year.
on these
Yeah.
backgrounds.
You've grown,
There's so
haven't
many
you?
people lining
You're big now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Look round the bend.
And I think you were stood somewhere over there. weren't
It
you?
was.
I remember everybody. And are you going to get some special presents? Yeah. And are you going to come and see me?
We are this year.
Yeah.
Come and see me this year. Yeah. Right. Well, I'll be waiting for you. We'll have some nice presents. Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. Mum and Dad, nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Children, I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun.
Isaac, did you like seeing Santa Claus?
Yeah!
Are you excited? Yeah? Are you not talking now? you?
Yeah.
I've got some rock on my hand. But yeah, it was really good fun. The kids loved it. We like going to see Santa, and he remembered us from last year because we got a Facebook message off him last year and saying how much he liked our video. I don't think this year's video will be as good as last year's, but anyways, I hope everybody enjoys it. It was really good fun. I think we're going to have some dinner and then go take Minnie Moo for a walk. And then that'll be it for our Saturday's vlog. And then something fun tomorrow. I think we're going down to the beach again tomorrow to go see the fireworks. It's a Christmas countdown. Sorry, Isaac's singing, so it's a bit loud in here. Go on then. Ready, go! You got a bit stuck. It's not very slippy, that slide, is it? Yay, and it's 10. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
I'll show you.
Alright. You're going high, Alana. Elliot's not. Like a little slow snail. Right, last swing and then we'll go down track with Minnie.
Yeah.
Minnie wants to run off the lead. It's freezing, so I've stole one of the girls' hats because my ears are cold. It wasn't too bad down the beach, and now we've come out here, it's absolutely freezing. So everyone's all wrapped up nice and warm. Ooh, not long till Christmas now, and we're not even ready. Scary. I think we're going to put our tree up around about 1st of December. We're not going to put it up too late this time. Too early this time. We normally put it up like middle of November. You don't want your hat on now, buddy? The boy's just finding sticks to play with.
Elliot, stay away.
What you got? Big stick?
Yeah.
Stay there! Amelia's right over there. Where that bridge is. Where are you going? Stay there! Minnie! Shower? She's well fast for a little dog.
She wants you now.
Hi! It is Sunday today, so yesterday we finished off at the park, and today, what are we doing today? Yes, I said yesterday we finished up at the park. I know we're seeing Santa Claus. We're going to the beach because they're doing a Christmas countdown to Christmas, where they're going to have people on stage, and someone from Emmerdale's going to be there, I think. I don't know because I don't watch Emmerdale. And then Santa Claus is going to be on stage. And then there's fireworks at 5 o'clock, isn't there?
Fireworks.
Yeah, so we're very excited. We're all getting wrapped up warm because it's freezing.
I test
And
on
then-
my face.
We're going to have a good fun, aren't we?
It's not that cold.
It is cold.
It isn't. Mom.
Oh, you're going to have to do a big jump. Big jump. Yay.
Another one.
Oh,
Take time.
hey, big jump. Big jump, yay. How is it?
You had a good day on the beach.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Are you alright, buddy?
Well, that's good, isn't it? What are you doing today?
What have we been doing? We've had to fix Daddy's car, haven't we?
That was good, wasn't it? Well done. Well done. See you all very soon.
Say bye. Who was it, Isaac? Santa Claus. Come on then, let's follow him. Are you going to go and get a picture? No? Alright then, buddy.
Come to the right place. If you're looking for trouble, just look around my face.
Do a big smile.
Come on, standing up and talking back. My daddy was a
Yay! Say bye!
because I
Yeah, that's fine. Hey, you got a sticker? Wow!
Where would you like it?
Yeah, 1 minute, buddy.
There you go.
Do you want a sticker, darling?
You like one?
No. Is he alright to have a sticker?
Of course you can, yeah.
Do you want a sticker?
You choose which one you like. That one.
Good boy.
There you go.
No, thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you better get the party started. Texting all my friends as I enter the room. We'll be looking flashy in my Mercedes Benz. I've got lots.
Hello again, Santa. Yes, so great to see you. Great to see you. And what do you make of these crowds? As far as you can see, all I can see is faces and the odd Yorkshire Coast Radio flag as well. Isn't it great to see all these people, Santa?
Every single one. I think every single one will be here to see me this year. Every single one. It's wonderful.
With him.
Wonderful.
So, after such a long journey to Scarborough, how are you feeling? Are you settling back into life in Scarborough? Scarbados?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, every time I come, the crowd just gets bigger. There seems to be more and more boys and girls.
And
Excited to watch the fireworks, Alana?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Can you see where they are?
No.
They're right down there. You see there? On the floor. Excited, Elliot?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like
You chicken?
daylight.
No, Mia's been moody again.
It looks like daylight.
It does, doesn't it? Are you ready? You ready, Isaac? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Wow! Oh.
You're very nice. Have a look.
Oh.
Ready? Hey, good boy. Pop. Pop, 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 pop. Ready? What's this big one?
Whoa.
Come on. Wow, okay, that's big one.
Whoa. Oh, look at that. That would have made a good picture. Wow. Woo! Wow, that was good, wasn't it? Did you have fun down the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had lots of fun down the beach, but it was absolutely freezing. Our hands were dropping off, weren't they?
Yeah.
But we came home and had some nice yummy soup for tea.
Yeah.
And now everyone's in bed, but we've changed the bedtime routine a little bit, haven't we?
Yeah.
So what time's Amelia's bedtime now?
Elliot's and Isaac's bedtime is at normal 7 o'clock, and then Lana's bedtime is at 8 o'clock, and then my bedtime is at 8:30.
Yeah, because I thought Amelia's 9 now, so she doesn't need to go to bed at 7. All her friends go to bed later. So that was time to keep Amelia up a little bit longer. So you like being up an extra half an hour, don't you?
Half an hour? You mean
An hour and a half compared to the boys, and then half an hour with Alana. Because Alana's 7, so, you know, 7 o'clock's a bit early, isn't it? I hope you all enjoyed our weekend vlog. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you on Thursday. Bye!